Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Pawan Jagannath Tamde, working as Assistant Professor in Chemistry at Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Nashik. Up till now, in this chapter, we have so far 6 video lecture in which we studied about acid, and in last lecture, we have seen what bases are. Now, in this lecture, we will see certain examples for organic bases, and at the same time, we will explore various factors which affects on basicity of organic molecules. So, in order to start this session, let us look at what we have seen in earlier video of basicity. We have seen that the organic derivatives of ammonia molecule are basic in nature because nitrogen possesses one lone pair of electron, and if that lone pair of electron is donated by that nitrogen in organic molecule, then it is basic in nature. Depending upon whether that nitrogen donates lone pair of electron easily or whether it hesitates to donate lone pair of electron, it is either strong base or weak base. So, the factors which enhances the electron donating capacity of nitrogen are responsible for increase in basicity of that particular organic compound, and the factor which decreases electron donating capacity of nitrogen present in organic molecule will be responsible for decrease in basicity of that particular molecule. So let's begin some example, and there itself we will explore certain factors which affects basicity of organic molecules. So if you look at this example, this is dimethyl amine, and in this case one of the hydrogen is replaced by chlorine, and in this case two hydrogen atoms are replaced by chlorine. And if you look at the trend of basicity, then this is least basic and this is more basic. And if you see the difference, then in this molecule one chlorine is close to nitrogen. In this molecule two chlorines are close to nitrogen. Chlorine is electronegative element and it shows tendency to pull electron toward itself, and because of that tendency of this nitrogen to donate lone pair of electron decreases from this molecule up to this molecule, and thus basicity is decreasing in this particular trend. Look at this example. Now in this example I substituted this hydrogen, one hydrogen by halogens, iodine, bromine, chlorine and fluorine, and we can see the trend of basicity. This molecule is least basic among these four. Now why this happens in this case? In this case, each time one hydrogen is replaced by halogen. Among halogen, fluorine is most electronegative, and because of that it shows more tendency to pull electron by negative inductive effect, and thus tendency of this nitrogen to donate electron is least among these four nitrogen of four molecules, and thus this is least basic and comparatively this is more basic in nature. In the same way, if you look at this example, in this example I replace this CH3 either by one CF3 or I replace both the CH3s by two CF3 groups, and again you can see that basic trend is like this molecule is least basic, this is somewhat more basic as compared to this, and this is more basic among these three molecules. Now again why this happens? Because in this case CF3 is powerful electron withdrawing, it will withdraw electron from this nitrogen, and thus if nitrogen wants to donate electron it cannot donate that easily as compared to this molecule, and because of that this is less basic as compared to dimethyl amine. However, if you look at this molecule, in this case a nitrogen atom is bonded to two such electron withdrawing CF3 groups, and both these CF3 group show their effect, and because of that lone pair of electron present with nitrogen is not easily donated by nitrogen, and thus it becomes least basic among these three molecules. If this hydrogen is also replaced by CF3, then the resultant molecule is not at all basic, it is neutral in nature, because these three CF3 groups will withdraw electron pair from nitrogen, and nitrogen will not be in position to donate this lone pair of electron to electrophile or proton, and thus it is neutral in nature. Now look at this example. In this example, basicity is found to decrease from this molecule to this molecule. Pyridine is less basic as compared to this molecule. Now why this happens? If you look at nitrogen of these two molecules, then you will come to know that this nitrogen is present in sp2 state of hybridization. However, this nitrogen is present in sp3 state of hybridization. Because of that, percentage S character of this nitrogen is more and percentage S character of this nitrogen is less, and thus this nitrogen shows comparatively more tendency to donate lone pair of electron, and this shows comparatively less tendency to donate electron. So this is less basic and this is more basic in this example. Now if you look at these two molecules, this is cyclohexylamine and this is aniline. This is aromatic system and this is alicyclic system. And here also you can see that aniline is less basic as compared to this cyclohexylamine. So why this happens in this case? In this case, in case of aniline, this nitrogen is directly attached to aromatic system, and this aromatic system will show resonance effect. The lone pair of electron which is located on nitrogen is delocalized in aromatic system. So all the time that lone pair of electron is not completely available with nitrogen. So nitrogen is not able to donate that lone pair of electron freely. However, if you consider this cyclohexylamine, then there is no such delocalization of electron pair is possible in cyclohexylamine, and thus the lone pair of electron is completely available with nitrogen and it can comparatively donate that lone pair of electron easily. So this molecule is more basic as compared to aniline. Next example, as we have seen in the case of acids, same is applicable over here. The difference is, in acid, electron withdrawing group increases acidity. However, in case of amines, electron releasing group, electron donating group will increase basicity of amines. Look at these examples. If you look at this example, this is simple aniline and remaining three are substituted anilines. This is nitro group at para position, and in these two cases CH3 and methoxy are there. CH3 and methoxy are electron releasing groups and nitro is electron withdrawing group. And because of that, this nitrogen of nitroaniline is not able to donate electron easily because of presence of electron withdrawing nitro group, which will extend minus R effect. However, this is not having any substituent over it, so it will show its normal trend. In case of this para-toluidine, CH3 is electron releasing, it will release electron, so comparatively tendency of this nitrogen to donate electron is more as compared to this or this nitrogen. However, if you look at this molecule, para-anisidine, in this case methoxy is present, which is again a powerful electron donating group as compared to methyl. So electron donating tendency of this NH2 group or nitrogen atom will be more in this case. So this is more basic, this is comparatively less basic, and this is least basic among these four amines. In the same way, we can see these examples. Here also I already given basicity trend. So among these four molecule, this molecule is least basic and this is more basic. You can easily find out why it is so. In this molecule, there is a presence of methoxy group and methoxy group is electron releasing, which will enhance electron donating tendency of this nitrogen. However, in these three molecules, there is a presence of nitro group, and nitro groups are electron withdrawing group. They withdraw electron from this ring, and ring will withdraw electron from NH2, and thus lone pair of electron is not easily available with nitrogen of NH2 group for donation. So they are less basic in nature. In the same way, look at this example and you can easily find out basic trend. This is less basic, this is comparatively more basic, and this is most basic among these three. In this case, the position of OH group matters. Here OH group is present at para position, here at ortho position, and here at meta position. So effect of OH when it is present on ortho or para is more, and it will enhance basicity of this molecule. Now if you look at this example, in this case this is cyclohexylamine, this is aniline, and this is diphenylamine, and you can see the basic trend. Cyclohexylamine is more basic as compared to aniline as compared to diphenylamine. We have already seen that why cyclohexylamine is more basic as compared to aniline, because in this case this electron pair is not delocalized in ring. However, in this case, because of aromatic system, this lone pair of electron is delocalized in ring. So this is less basic as compared to cyclohexylamine. If we compare between aniline and diphenylamine, then in diphenylamine two aromatic rings are attached to nitrogen, and both the ring will exert its effect, and thus lone pair of electron on this nitrogen is not easily available for the purpose of donation. So this is least basic among these three. Now if somebody asks you out of these two amine which is more basic, then we can say that this molecule, that is N26 tetramethyl aniline, must be more basic as compared to N-dimethyl aniline. But what is the actual reason behind more basic character of this molecule as compared to this? Let us explore this example. Now if you look at N-dimethyl aniline, then a lone pair of electron is present on nitrogen, but that lone pair of electron is delocalized in benzene ring or aromatic system. However, if you look at this N26 tetramethyl aniline, although nitrogen is having lone pair of electron, delocalization of this lone pair of electron inside ring is quite difficult, because after donation or delocalization of this lone pair of electron, the bond angle will change, and this methyl will come close to each other, which is not possible in this molecule, and thus comparatively lone pair of electron is freely available with this molecule as compared to N-dimethyl aniline, and thus it donates lone pair of electron easily. So it is more basic in nature, and this is comparatively less basic in nature. Now have a look on this example. In this case, this is least basic, this is comparatively more, and this is more basic among these three. We already seen why this pyridine is more basic as compared to pyridine, because this nitrogen is in sp3 state of hybridization and this nitrogen is in sp2 state of hybridization. But if you compare between pyridine and pyrrole, then why pyridine is more basic as compared to this pyrrole? Now in case of pyrrole, the lone pair of electron which is associated with nitrogen is donated by nitrogen to ring in order to maintain aromatic character, and thus that lone pair of electron is not available with nitrogen for further donation to show its basic character, and because of that this molecule is less basic in nature, and pyridine is comparatively more basic in nature, as in this case the lone pair of electron present on nitrogen is not involved in aromatic character. Now look at these examples. In this example you can see the basic character of these molecules. Among these four molecules, the pKa value of this molecule is least, so it is less basic in nature. The pKa value of pyrrolidine is highest, so it is comparatively more basic in nature. If you look at this N-methylpyrrolidine, this is tertiary amine, and because of that its basicity is less as compared to pyrrolidine. This we have seen in previous lecture of amines. Now look at this example, morpholine and piperidine. Among morpholine and piperidine is more basic, because in case of morpholine, oxygen is present in the ring and oxygen will show its electron withdrawing nature, and because of that lone pair of electron present on nitrogen is not completely available for donation. However, in this case such effect is not operating, so piperidine donates electron easily. It is comparatively more basic and this is less basic. In the same way, if you look at this example, 2-chloropyridine and pyridine, then obviously pyridine is more basic as compared to 2-chloropyridine, because in 2-chloropyridine a electronegative chlorine atom is present next to nitrogen in ring. So 2-chloropyridine is less basic and pyridine is more basic in nature. Now look at these examples. In this case 3 molecules are given, and if you look at these 3 molecules you can find out difference in hybridization of nitrogen. In this case nitrogen is present in sp state of hybridization, in this case nitrogen is present in sp2 state of hybridization, and in this case nitrogen is present in sp3 state of hybridization, and because of that this piperidine is most basic among these 3, because of change in hybridization the percentage S character is changing. In first case percentage S character is 50, it is highest, and because of that electrons present on nitrogen are close to nucleus and thus it shows less tendency to donate those electrons. However, piperidine nitrogen is in sp3 state and that nitrogen can easily donate lone pair of electrons. So piperidine is most basic among these 3 molecules. Now many a times in university examination a question is asked why guanidine is stronger base. In order to answer this question, first of all we must remember the structure of guanidine molecule, which is of foremost important, otherwise it is difficult to answer this question. So this is the structure of guanidine molecule. If you look at structure of guanidine molecule, then in this case this carbon atom is attached to 3 different nitrogen. This carbon is in sp2 state of hybridization, nitrogen is in sp2 state of hybridization, and remaining 2 nitrogens are in sp3 state of hybridization. All the 3 nitrogens are having lone pair of electron, and thus this molecule shows strong tendency to donate lone pair of electron. But what makes this molecule to donate lone pair of electron faster? When this guanidine molecule comes in contact with proton or some electrophilic species, then this type of reaction will occur. This nitrogen donates its lone pair of electron or accepts proton, and there is a formation of this type of electrophilic species which is supposed to be unstable. But in this case this positive charge which is present on this nitrogen is delocalized by resonance by neighboring 2NH2 group. First we will see that this nitrogen will donate lone pair of electron and this bond opens to nitrogen and we will get this resonance structure. In the same way this NH2 group or nitrogen atom will deposit its electron and this double bond will open to this nitrogen and we will get this another structure. If you look at structure number 1, 2 and 3, then you will notice that all the 3 structures are exactly same. So after acceptance of proton, the electrophilic species which forms in guanidine undergoes resonance and it will give 3 equivalent structures, and because of that this is highly stabilized structure, and thus guanidine shows powerful tendency to donate lone pair of electron or accept proton, and because of that guanidine is stronger base. I hope in this video you understand various factors which affect on basicity, and if you are having any doubt you can definitely write to me on my email ID. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot.